Today, I'm going to teach you how to highlight the highest or lowest value in a column in Google Sheets. This is incredibly useful when you're working with large data sets and need to quickly identify your best or worst performing numbers at a glance. To get started, open your browser and navigate to workspace.google.com. Once the page loads, log in to your Google account using your credentials. This will take you to your Workspace dashboard where all your files are stored. From your dashboard, locate and click on the spreadsheet where you want to highlight the highest or lowest values. This will open your Google Sheet and you'll be able to see all your data laid out in front of you. Let's begin by highlighting the highest value first. Start by selecting the range of cells you want to analyze. Click and drag to highlight all the cells in that column. Once you've selected your range, look at the top menu bar and click on Format. A drop-down menu will appear with various formatting options. From this menu, click on Conditional Formatting. This powerful feature allows you to automatically format cells based on specific criteria you set. A panel will appear on the right side of your screen, showing the conditional formatting rules. In this panel, you'll notice that your selected cell range is already displayed. In my example, I've highlighted A2:A10, which represents the range of cells I want to analyze. Now look for the section labeled Format Cells. Under this section, you'll see a drop-down menu. Click on it to reveal all the available formatting conditions. Scroll down through the options until you find Custom Formula Is and click on it. This option gives you the flexibility to create your own formula for exactly what you need. In the value or formula field that appears, type =A2 = max open parenthesis $, $2:$ $A$10 close parenthesis. Once you enter this formula, you'll immediately see that it highlights the highest value in your selected column. The $signs ensure that the range stays fixed even if you copy the formula elsewhere. Now let's move on to highlighting the lowest value, which follows the same process. Select a different column that you want to analyze by highlighting the cells. Again, go to the top menu and click Format, then select Conditional Formatting from the drop-down menu. The Conditional Formatting panel will open again on the right side. Just like before, click the drop-down menu under Format Cells, and select Custom Formula Is from the list of options. This time in the value or formula field, type =B2 = min open parenthesis $, B $2:$ B $10 close parenthesis. The min function works exactly like max, but instead finds the smallest value in your range. As soon as you enter this formula, the lowest value in your column will be highlighted automatically. And that's it. You've successfully set up conditional formatting to highlight both the highest and lowest values in your Google Sheets columns. This technique makes it incredibly easy to spot important data points without having to manually scan through rows of numbers. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.